Actually, in your project, we are going to identify gender based on voice classification. So, in your objective, you had given two main modules. That is, I have to gather a data set, and that data set should be trained by using convolutional neural network, and I need to classify all the things by using ML classifier by using some classification algorithm. So the first step, I need to train my data. Okay, for training I'm using this data. These are all the data inputs I am giving as an input. Okay, so then after training, it will provide you the train module as a result. I imported the data set on direct path. So right now I'm classifying female as a 0 and male as a 1, and this what the data folder I given as the input. I given totally 100 e-pouch for the training. So these are all the layer of convolutional neural network, and it started to train. Okay, for first e-pouch itself, it's providing nearly 73 percentage of the accuracy. So at the end, it will provide more than 90% as an accuracy, and it will provide you the train module also. So the training has been completed. It's providing overall will be 91 percentage. Once CNN has been completed, then we need to classify with the algorithms of ML classifiers. So I import the data, and right now I am classifying the data. So it will provide you the data set which we had imported, the data set details, and then the classification. That is how much classifiers. You may see these are all the inputs which the fields we had imported. Based on that, what will be the k-mean values, what will be the error rate. So these are all the things we are calculating here, and we are presenting the algorithms based on that, what will be the precision recall f measure value. So totally I am using here SVM, Navy Basin, neural network, ensemble algorithm, and K-mean. So these are all the classifiers I am using, including XGBoost. So these are all the classifier I am using. Based on the classifiers, what will be the precision accuracy, F measure values I had noted, I am getting here. And finally, I'm going to execute the application by using Streamlit. I had developed a web application to predict a voice based on gender. So by using Streamlit, I'm executing. The Streamlit command will be Streamlit run. Actually, I'm using the file name called app.py. So once I import this, it will generate the localhost address. That localhost address will be opened on IEEE Explorer automatically, and you have to check with your live voice. You may give your live voice, and it will detect whether it is male or female. So this will be generated, and if I start recording, it will provide you whether my voice is male or else female. Yeah, it is detecting female. For example, if any male has been record their voice and they import it, it will provide you it is male or female.
Hi, hello.
Now it is predicting it is male voice.